Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a topic I'm truly passionate about: transforming your home into a luxurious haven without breaking the bank. Yes, you heard that right. Luxury living doesn't have to come with a luxury price tag. We're going to debunk the myth that you need expensive furniture and decor to achieve a high-end look. Get ready to unlock the secrets of affordable elegance, because I'm sharing my favorite design hacks that will elevate your space from simple to simply stunning. One of my favorite things about design is that it has the power to completely transform how you feel in your own home. When your home is designed in a way that makes you feel good, that energy flows into every single part of your life. But you don't have to spend a fortune to create that feeling. We're going to focus on simple changes that make a huge impact. Think of it like this: it's all about making smart choices and embracing creativity. Get ready to unleash your inner designer. We're about to embark on a journey to unlock your home's full potential. I'm talking about easy DIY projects, clever shopping tips, and styling tricks that will make you say, "Wow, I can't believe I didn't think of that." So, grab your notepad, let's gather some inspiration, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with a design element that's both functional and beautiful. Mirrors. Mirrors are like magic tricks for your home, instantly making spaces feel larger and brighter. If you've ever stepped into a room and been amazed by its spaciousness, chances are mirrors played a big role. And the best part? You don't need to spend a fortune to get the look. When strategically placed, mirrors can work wonders. Think about those dark corners in your home that could use a little life. By placing a mirror opposite a window, you can bounce natural light around the room, instantly brightening up even the darkest areas. It's like inviting the sunshine in. Now let's talk size. Don't be afraid to go big. A large statement mirror can create a stunning focal point and make your room feel grander. Imagine this: a beautifully ornate mirror above your fireplace, reflecting the warm glow of the flames and adding a touch of elegance to your living room. For smaller spaces, consider using a grouping of smaller mirrors. This creates a beautiful visual effect and adds depth to your walls. You can find unique and affordable mirrors at flea markets, thrift stores, or even online. Don't be afraid to mix and match different shapes and sizes to add personality and charm. Another trick I love is using mirrors to enhance the view. If you have a window with a picturesque view, try placing a mirror on the opposite wall to reflect it. It's like bringing the outdoors in and creates a sense of tranquility and connection with nature. And here's a bonus tip. If you're working with a small bathroom, consider installing a large mirror that spans the entire width of the vanity. This will instantly make your bathroom feel larger and more luxurious. Remember, mirrors are a designer's best friend. They're versatile, affordable, and can make a world of difference in your home. So, get creative, experiment with different placements, and watch as your spaces transform before your very eyes. You'll be amazed at the power of this simple design element. Let's move on to another simple yet impactful way to elevate your home: textured throws and pillows. These cozy additions can make all the difference in creating a luxurious and inviting atmosphere. Think of it like this: adding texture is like adding another layer of depth and dimension to your space. It's all about creating a sensory experience that feels both visually appealing and physically comforting. Start by choosing throws and pillows in a variety of fabrics and textures. Think chunky knit blankets, faux fur pillows, or even velvet cushions. These luxurious textures add warmth, depth, and a touch of sophistication to any room. And the best part? You don't need to spend a fortune to find them. One of my favorite places to find affordable and stylish throws and pillows is at home decor stores like HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, or Marshalls. They always have a rotating selection of on-trend pieces at a fraction of the cost of department stores. When it comes to color, don't be afraid to mix and match. You can stick with a neutral palette for a timeless look, or add pops of color with bold patterns and textures. The key is to create a cohesive look that reflects your personal style. Now let's talk placement. Drape a cozy throw over the arm of your sofa or the foot of your bed for an effortlessly chic look. Scatter a few textured pillows on your bed or chairs to create a welcoming and inviting atmosphere. Don't underestimate the power of these small details. Throws and pillows can completely transform the look and feel of your space, adding warmth, personality, and a touch of luxury without breaking the bank. So, get creative. Experiment with different textures and colors, and watch as your home becomes a cozy haven you'll never want to leave. You don't need to be a professional artist or spend a fortune on expensive artwork to create a gallery-worthy look in your home. DIY art pieces are a fantastic way to add a personal and high-end touch to your decor without breaking the bank. It's all about tapping into your creativity and adding those special, one-of-a-kind pieces that tell your story. Remember, art is subjective, so have fun with it. One of the easiest DIY art projects is creating a gallery wall. Gather up your favorite frames. You can find affordable ones at thrift stores or discount stores, and fill them with personal photos, prints you love, or even scraps of fabric or wallpaper. The key is to create a cohesive look by choosing frames that complement each other in terms of style or color. Another fun and easy DIY art project is abstract painting. You don't need any painting experience for this one. Simply choose your favorite colors, grab a canvas and some brushes from your local craft store, and let your creativity flow. Don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques and textures. The beauty of abstract art is that there's no right or wrong way to do it. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even create your own sculptures using found objects or recycled materials. Think outside the box. An old piece of driftwood can become a beautiful wall sculpture, or a collection of vintage bottles can be transformed into a stunning centerpiece. The possibilities for DIY art are endless. You can create botanical prints by pressing flowers, design your own wall hangings using macrame or weaving techniques, or even frame pieces of your child's artwork. The key is to have fun with it and let your personality shine through. By incorporating DIY art into your home decor, you'll not only save money, but also create a space that feels uniquely yours. So gather your supplies, put on some music, and let your creativity run wild. Ready to add some drama and sophistication to your space? Lighting is everything. The right lighting can completely transform the mood and ambiance of a room. But here's the thing, you don't need to spend a fortune on designer light fixtures to achieve a high-end look. Let's talk about how to make a statement with your lighting without breaking the bank. First up, let's address the power of the unexpected. One of my favorite design tricks is to incorporate unexpected elements into a space. For example, instead of opting for traditional table lamps, consider using wall sconces to flank a piece of art or a mirror. This not only frees up valuable surface space but also adds a touch of elegance and sophistication. Another great option is to look for vintage or antique light fixtures at flea markets, thrift stores, or online marketplaces. You can often find unique and beautiful pieces at a fraction of the cost of new ones. Plus, you'll be adding a touch of history and character to your home. Don't underestimate the power of a simple lampshade upgrade. A plain lamp can be instantly elevated with a new shade in a bold pattern or texture. Look for lampshades with interesting details like fringe, beading, or embroidery. And speaking of details, pay attention to the finishes. Metallic finishes like brass, gold, or silver can add a touch of glamour and sophistication to a space. Don't be afraid to mix and match different metallics for a layered and eclectic look. Remember, lighting is all about creating mood and ambiance. Don't be afraid to experiment with different light sources to achieve the desired effect. Use a combination of overhead lighting, table lamps, and floor lamps to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. With a little creativity and some savvy shopping, you can illuminate your home with style without breaking the bank. Ready to make a bold statement? Wallpaper is back and better than ever. But here's the secret, you don't need to wallpaper an entire room to create a stunning impact. In fact, sometimes a little bit of wallpaper goes a long way. Let's talk about how to use wallpaper strategically to create a focal point and add a touch of luxury to your home. One of my favorite ways to use wallpaper is to create an accent wall. Choose a wall in your living room, bedroom, or dining room that you want to highlight, and apply wallpaper to that single wall. This creates a dramatic focal point and adds depth and dimension to the space. Another great option is to use wallpaper inside unexpected places, like the back of a bookcase or inside a closet. This adds a pop of color and pattern and creates a sense of surprise and delight. If you're working with a small space, consider using wallpaper to create the illusion of more space. Vertical stripes can make a room feel taller, while horizontal stripes can make it feel wider. Don't be afraid to get creative with your wallpaper application. You can cut wallpaper into geometric shapes and create a unique wall mural, or use it to create decorative borders or accents. And here's a bonus tip. If you're renting or not ready to commit to wallpaper, consider using removable wallpaper. It's easy to apply and remove, and it comes in a wide variety of patterns and colors. Wallpaper is a fantastic way to add personality, style, and a touch of luxury to your home. So go ahead, embrace the power of pattern and transform your space. There you have it. Friends, 5 incredible design hacks that will transform your home into a luxurious oasis without breaking the bank. Remember, creating a beautiful and inviting space doesn't have to cost a fortune. It's all about creativity, resourcefulness, and a little bit of DIY magic. So go ahead, unleash your inner designer, and start transforming your home today. I can't wait to see what you create. Don't forget to share your amazing transformations with me in the comments below. I love hearing from you and seeing your creativity come to life. Until next time, happy decorating.